In this quick video, I will show you how to swap BRISE token on PancakeSwap step by step. So the first step is to go to pancakeswap.finance, and then on the right side here, click connect wallet, and you can choose any of these wallets, but we're going to choose MetaMask. Click next, click connect, and once you have connected your MetaMask wallet, click here and make sure that you choose BRISE, and below here you can choose any of these tokens, but we're going to choose BNB. And now you can type the amount of BRISE token you want to swap. For example, I want to swap the maximum amount, so I'm going to choose max here, and I'll receive this amount of BNB. Before we proceed with the transaction, I just want you to know that as per the BRISE tokenomics, the users are charged a 12% transaction fee, and you can see here the breakdown of the 12% transaction fee. So before you make a transaction, make sure your slippage tolerance is above 13%. And as you can see, my slippage tolerance is set to 14%. Now, click swap here, click confirm swap, and make sure that you have enough BNB in your MetaMask wallet because you're going to use it for the transaction fees. Now click confirm, and let us wait for the transaction to be completed. And once the transaction is done, you can now go to your MetaMask wallet, and now you can see here the total amount of BNB token, including the amount that I have swapped earlier. And if you have any questions about how to swap BRISE token on PancakeSwap, leave a comment below.